Guys, today we have something special. Usually we do gadget mystery boxes on this channel, but for today, we have a 100,000 peso or $2,000 travel mystery box. Or actually, it's not a box. It's a luggage case filled with a lot of travel essentials, courtesy of our friends from Urban Traveler. Let's go! So this is what arrived at my doorstep. It is not a box, it is actually a luggage case from the brand Crash Baggage. Crash Baggage is one of the best baggage brands that put a focus on durability and the strength of the luggage cases that they create. And that's actually important because if you've seen the viral videos that come out of our airports here in the Philippines, they just throw around the check-in baggages anyway. And that's, I think, one of the best things about this particular baggage brand. It is made to last, it is made to be thrown around, it is made to be handled with no care. And that's actually the first key item of this travel mystery box. It's the box itself. This is an amazing luggage case that any traveler would want to have in his or her travel, essentials. Now, usually this is the part where I take out my unboxing knife and open the box, but for today, we will just unzip. Inside the luggage case, it's another luggage case, and we will be checking that out in a bit. But we will be checking out all the different items first and bring them out one by one. First up, we have one of the most comfortable travel pillows that you guys can ever have. This is the Ostrich Pillow Go. Now, what's special about this is that it's literally kind of like memory foam that wraps around and conforms to the shape that you want it to around your neck and in your head. So it provides excellent protection and comfort if you are traveling on a cramped airplane seat, which is usually the case these days. And I feel like every time there's a new plane, the size of the legroom keeps on shrinking. So having really good pillows like this one is essential for any hardcore traveler. So that's the first item in the case, the Ostrich Pillow Go. The next item is a must-have for people who are like me, who have really bad allergies that usually come out when you are traveling. This is the Banal, I don't know if they pronounced it correctly, mask. It is an anti-pollution mask with a replaceable filter. So it works very well because it offers up to 99% protection from pollen, pollution, dust, and a bunch of other stuff that you usually get allergic to. It's also dry and ventilated. It has a replaceable filter and it offers maximum comfort. So if you are traveling and you want a face mask that delivers the best type of protection for you, for your allergies, this is the brand to go to, and it is available over at Urban Traveler as well. Next up, we have another luggage case. Now this one, as you guys can see, is transparent. So this is a transparent Crash Baggage check-in luggage case. So this is the one that you bring with you to the plane and not the one that you check in at the check-in counter. So it's the size is made for that. Now, as you guys can see, it is transparent. So you can literally see through it. Now, what is the point of having transparent luggage? To be honest, it's kind of hard to justify, but for people who want to flex the stuff that they bring, then this is probably for you. Now, to be honest, if I'm thinking about it, will I actually bring this when I travel? Tough question, because it will definitely draw a lot of stares, it will definitely get a lot of attention, it will turn a lot of heads, people will look at you, and if that's what you want, and if that's what you need, and if that's what, makes you happy, this is a luggage case that you guys might want to use. Again, this is check-in, so you always have it with you, so there's a degree of security, but man, if you are already in a different country and you're walking all over the streets with this one, I would highly suggest that you also bring a luggage cover, so when the time comes that you need to be more subtle, secure, and discreet, you can just cover this up. So again, that's the next item in the luggage case. It's the Crash Baggage Transparent Check-in Luggage Suitcase. Next up, we have a backpack from the brand Freytag. I actually did a shopping video of this. They currently have a pop-up store over at Power Plant Mall in Rockwell. So Freytag uses upcycled materials such as tarpaulins, what they call the seat belts, and really great materials that are awesome for the environment. So if you are looking for amazing bags that offer sustainability and recyclability, this is the one that you guys should pick up. Apart from that, the designs are actually one of one because the tarpaulins are actually picked up and bought from trucks that travel along roads in Europe. So each bag is unique. Each bag's design is 1:1. Next, you have one of my favorite umbrellas. This is the NERPS umbrella. Now, usually, when you have umbrellas like this, you press it once, it pops up, and then you have to press here and then pull it down to be able to close it. This one is a bit more simple. You just have this really nice red button at the handle, pop it open, and it expands. If you pop it again, then it closes, and then you just pull it down. Very easy to store, very easy to use, and super portable and compact. So if you guys are looking for a great umbrella, especially after summer, when it is rainy season, or if you are going to a country where it usually does rain, which is often the case, you might want to bring this along with you. Next up, we have a card protector from the brand Secrid. Now, this is an amazing accessory to bring with you, especially with a lot of the credit card theft that's happening all over the world. So what this does is that it protects the cards that you have, and it actually makes it cool when you want to pull them out, because all you have to do is press this one and your cards will pop out of the case that this, has inside. So this is the Secrid card protector, and they actually have a collab also with Freytag, so that you might want to check out also, which is available over at Urban Traveler. The next item is something that I think every person should have in his or her travel kit, actually in every person's everyday travel bag. This is the Accello MultiTools, and what this is that it is a 5-in-1, 4-in-1, 3-in-1, or even 6-in-1 combination of tools that can be found in one simple device. So let's take a look at this one. This is the raptor. So they're actually inspired by different creatures. This is the raptor, this is the dino, and this is the shark. So if you take a look at the raptor, it has a bottle opener, a wrench, a Phillips head, a flathead, a carabiner, and a steel cutter, all in this small thing. That is amazing ingenuity and compactness for one tool. If you take a look at the dino, you have a bottle opener, a wrench, a Phillips head, a flathead, and a letter opener. Again, all in that really nice metallic dinosaur-shaped thing that you have over here. And lastly, if you take a look at the shark, this is a 4-in-1. You have a bottle opener, a wrench, a Phillips head, and a flathead. You never know when you will need tools like this one. And this, I think, is one of the best buys that every guy should have in his everyday carry. Next up, we have the Dapper 100, Next up, we have the Dapper 100. This is actually an ultra slim gentleman's knife that also functions as a keychain. So you connect your keys to it, but if you need to, you can actually pop out the blade to be able to either protect yourself or for it to function as a tool, as a sharp tool that you would need for any everyday use. So again, the Dapper 100 by Keysmart. Now there are a lot more stuff in the travel suitcase. You have the banal toothbrush with built-in toothpaste that really that's just amazing. So it has built-in toothpaste that can work easily for the airplane, camping, in the office. So it's easy squeeze, it's refillable. Oh wow, talk about travel ingenuity. You also have solid perfume, so it's not the wet kind of perfume, so it's easier to carry around and it's easier to use, especially when you're traveling. You also have the Frenchy handcrafted multi-purpose, multifunction wallet. So there's just a ton of stuff in this luggage case, and instead of going over them one by one, I will be doing specific reviews and grouping them together in a series of videos up ahead. So guys, that's actually it for our mystery travel package unboxing from Urban Traveler. If you liked any of the items, please do let me know in the comment section down below, and we will try to ask them if we can do a giveaway. So again, make yourselves heard. Let me know which item that we featured on this vlog that you would want to see in a future giveaway on the vlog or on the channel. So that's actually it for this vlog. Urban Traveler, thank you for the support and thank you for sending this care package over. That's it for now, guys. Peace, God bless. What's up? Boom.